Translating the amount and types of retention found after a wildfire into forest management objectives is one of the key goals of the Healthy Landscapes program. Many of the Healthy Landscapes partners have already begun the transition to different levels and more variable types of retention.
Traditionally, we'd do a two-pass design, like a checkerboard. We'd take one square, we'd leave a square, we'd take another square. And the focus was always on each of those squares. So what were we leaving behind in that square? What were we leaving behind in the other square over here? But fires aren't like that. They're a larger unit, and what's left behind within the entire fire includes not just within the individual burned patches or cut blocks, but what's left between them. So now, when we bean count what we're doing compared to what a fire would be, we compare the areas left between cut blocks as well as the residual material that we leave in cut blocks itself, and have an event, a harvest event, compared to a fire event. And that's where we're trying to manage at that scale, and not so much anymore at the scale of what's in that cut block, what's the edges of that cut block look like, because we know the cut block is going to be bigger. And we're going to have areas that are harvested, areas that are not harvested, maybe a creek corridor running through there that's not harvested, and then another harvesting over here. We put together and look at it from a higher elevation, we get something a lot similar to what a fire might have done.
It's important to note that the retention left in a harvest event does have a cost. Leaving trees requires more planning and expenses for companies. Therefore, understanding the trade-offs between ecologically effective retention levels and efficient forestry practices is critical. The Healthy Landscapes program continues to focus key research in this area to better understand the thresholds, key factors, and the benefits of retention within a harvest event.